Is it cold, hey? Look how deep it is on his feet. Oh! Don't you dare throw it. Make a snow angel. You know how to make a snow angel?
I hope I don't go deep.
Fall backwards.
You sure this is...
Just sit down and then, yeah, like that. Now do your arms out. Flap them like a bird. More.
All the way up to your head. All the way up to your head. All the way up. There you go.
That's not too cute. Wow. That's a lot of snow.
It's even deeper over here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Deeper right there.
The water needs you.